Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Tecno Spark Go to smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password. Okay, to do hard reset, first press and hold the power button and tap to power off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now guys, see it carefully. First press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And now release and press and hold the volume down button. And when the Tecno logo appears, you need to press and hold the volume down button. 1, 2, 3, and release. This method is little bit difficult, guys. You have to do it several times when you will get a successful attempt. 1, 2, 3. And you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset. Here we have wipe data factory reset and confirm. And you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Go to factory data reset and confirm. And you can see data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after a hard set might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard set might again ask for password pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard set Tecno Spark Go to smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to the video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.